Hi guys, this is Miss Michel, and I'm going to make you a really quick tutorial to teach you how to use this new citation creator that I found online called Scribr. It is free, but it's a little different than EasyBib and Citation Machine. If you sign up for an account, which is free, Scribr, I have found, it will save your list of citations so that you can create one works cited page and just keep coming back and building on it. And it also gives you really easy in-text citation creator. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to make 3 different videos for this website. I'm going to make a video for how to set up your works cited page to create a website citation. I'm going to do the second video on how to do a YouTube citation or an online video citation, and the third one's going to be a journal article citation. So this is the first in the series of 3. This is just going to show you how to cite a website. So if you want to set up an account, just go in and do the free account, and what happens is it saves all your citations. So when you get to the website, go to the citation tools and choose the Mla Citation Generator if that's what you're using. And you'll see right here are my list. I've already created a list for another paper that I was working on. So now I'm going to start a new list. So I'm going to create my list and I'm going to name it just video for 10th. Now I'm going to say create. And now, so all the citations I create starting from this point will go into that list. So a few other reasons why I like this website. I really like this Mla Citation Guide, and I also really like this citation checker. And I'm going to show you, if you click the citation guide, it just takes you down a few spots in the page, and you can see it tells you this is what a real Mla works cited citation should look like. These are how they should look. These are the information that needs to be on here. It also, if you have questions about in-text citations, it's also down here as well. But what I want to show you is how to cite specifically a website. So I have my website here, and this is from the NASA Global Climate Change website. This is the title of my page right here, and this is the day it was published, right? And so I'm going to go and look and see on the bottom, because I didn't see an author up top, if there's an author, right? Oh, there's an author. And I also see who was the producer of the website. This website was created by Earth Science Communications team at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. So that's going to be who created this website. If you can't find who created it, another hint is usually there's like copyright C or the word copyright. That's usually who's created the website. It's got that listed right next to it. If you can't find, if it's not that clear to you, you can always go into the About Us page and it'll tell you who created the website. So let's create the citation for this using Scribr. So the first thing you need to do is cut and copy your URL. Now I'm going to go back to my citation creator, and I see create accurate citations for free. The first thing I need to do is choose my source type. So the media that I'm using right now, or my source, is a website. I got information from this page when I wrote my paper. I'm going to paste my URL in there, and I'm going to click the little magnifying glass. Let's see if it finds it. So, oh, looks like it did. That's it. So I click it, and it fills in the form below. Yay, I love it when it does the work for me. So I check it. Yep, check the form. This is the title. This is the URL. This is the name of the website. It does say NASA in front of it, so I'm going to add NASA. Oh, didn't put my author or editor's name, so I think I'm going to have to go back in there and do that. It did put the publication date, but it missed the publisher. So now I need to go back to my website and find that information. Well, we already talked about where it was located on the page. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to copy the publisher's name. I'm going to highlight it and copy it. I'm going to go back here to my creator and paste it in there. Oh, that looks nice. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my author's name or my editor's name. I'm going to do the site editor, Holly Shaftel. So I'm going to type her name in there, H-O-L-Y, and you notice I made my H capital. I'm going to make my S capital as well. because that's what we do. We capitalize first and last names. Now I've got it all filled out. Go back and look and make sure it looks good. I'm going to click Cite Source. So look at my citation. Isn't it gorgeous? It looks great. It's got all the punctuation marks in the right place. It's got the date in the right order. It's got the URL in there. It also, if I wave my mouse over the entry, gives me the in-text citation. If I was going to cite this source directly in my paper, this is what I would put at the end of the summary or paraphrase of that information. I'd put Shaftel, parentheses, Shaftel, close parentheses, and then I put my punctuation mark. You see how nice it is too? I can click on it and it will copy it, and I can put it directly in my paper, right? So that's kind of nice. Some other things I like about this website is you can click Export to Word. It'll actually download this into a Word document, okay, with all the correct formatting done. It's going to open it up in a Word document. I'll show you that when it's finished opening. But another thing it does that I really like is you can also click to copy it. When you see it was copied, you can actually go out to your Google Doc. You can start a new Works Cited Google Doc, right? Works Cited. Take off my centered. Okay. And then I am going to paste that in. Look at how nice that looks. It gives me the hanging indentation, it gives me the double spaced, puts everything in order, and uses the margins that I set up as well. I also need to insert my header, right? Insert my header with my page number. I want to do page number on the top. I'm going to type my last name in, right? And I'm going to move it over to the corner where it belongs. And then my works cited is already created for me. Look at how nice that is. And it'll be in my Google Drive, so I'll be able to access it later. I hope that you're as excited about Scribr as I am. Whenever I come back to the website, if I want to add more to my works cited page for my video for 10th grade, I just click on it and just keep adding away. Stay tuned for the next video on citing a YouTube video. Bye.